What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Triple C's. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on the notifications for me. All right, guys. Look, as we see Bitcoin and Ethereum starting to slightly tick up, here are some crypto-related stocks and ETF that I want you guys to keep your eyes on, okay? Because we can potentially make some profits off of these crypto-related stocks. All right. Now, I believe that you should always be dollar cost averaging into these huge assets in the crypto space, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. That way you have your exposure that way, okay? But a lot of people get discouraged because of the high price tags on those assets, and they think they're not going to make any profits. But that's actually not true, because if you're dollar cost averaging and you're buying fractional shares, your money is still going to go up at the same percentage rate as whatever those assets go up, okay? So if Bitcoin, Ethereum go up 20%, however much you have invested is going to go up 20% as well. So if you only have $1,000 in Bitcoin, then that $1,000 is going to go up 20%, okay? So you have to look at it like that as well. But if you feel like you want more exposure and you want a bigger piece of the pie, then crypto ETFs like Bitcoin ETFs and Ethereum ETFs is another way to go, guys. And you can get in really cheap right now, especially since these ETFs came down. Okay, so we're going to take a look at some of the ones that I'm invested in and I am looking to take advantage of if Bitcoin and Ethereum run up. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, now, guys, first up on the list is ticker symbol ETH, Grayscale Ethereum Mini Trust. Okay, so keep your eye on this one. All right, we see right now it's at $14.75. After hours, it went up to $14.08. If you look at it at the top of the chart, guys, this was at $30. Okay, this is the 3-month chart. Okay, this was like in January. It's up to $30, and it's been coming down. With the market coming down and everything, it's all the way down to $14. Okay, so this is unprecedented levels. Even though this is a very new ETF, it's still at the lowest levels that we've ever seen it. Okay, so I've been taking advantage of those opportunities as it's been coming down. I've been dollar cost averaging. Okay, so this is something that you can keep your eye on, because if Ethereum keeps running up, guys, and this goes back to 30, you have a chance to make a good amount of profit depending on how many you buy. But me personally, guys, I'm gonna just hold on to mine long term, okay? Because I can see the potential in the future. Once Ethereum is $10,000 and Bitcoin is $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, okay? All right, but with that being said, the next one is ticker symbol BTC, okay? Keep your eye on this one as well. Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust, okay? So if we look at the 3-month chart on this one, we know this one was up to like 47, 48, okay? And in January, now it came all the way down, and you see right here, I've been buying on the way down, okay? Now, if we see Bitcoin run back up, we can see this going back up to the 48, okay? Let's look at the yearly chart right here. And I think it was all the way up to, like 48. It was the high. And we see it tick down to where it is now, to the 37. And you see, guys, I've been buying. It's been holding pretty steady right here at the 37. Okay, so that is the support level right there. Okay, so it could, it looked like it could be primed to bounce off of this level. I'm not saying it's going to be a full bull run, because of the climate that we're in, but we could see a temporary movement upward, okay? And you can make some temporary plays based off of that, all right? So that's it for those plays, okay? So let's look at the next play that I got for you guys. All right, gang, so next up on the list is MARA Holdings, okay? Ticker symbol MARA, okay? This is a crypto mining stock, okay? I am looking at this as a short-term play, okay? So, this is a crypto mining stock. They invest heavily in Bitcoin and they mine Bitcoin. Okay, so whenever Bitcoin runs up, this company runs up, as well as another company called Riot. Okay, but we're gonna focus on MARA. All right, but keep your eye on this one. Right now it's at $12.51. As you can see, let's look at the 3-month chart here. I can definitely see this running back up to the $14 to $15 range. Okay, but that's going to be predicated on if Bitcoin can hold this rally over the weekend going into Monday, okay, then we can see this one run up, like I said, because it's going to follow whatever Bitcoin does usually. That's not a guarantee, but usually when Bitcoin runs up, this runs up. And like I said, we can see this running up to the $14, $15 range. All right, now, I did take a call option out on MARA, which you can see that in the members area at crazycryptocliff.com, guys, and I will have that link for you down in the description, okay? As well as you can watch the training videos and learn how we are making this money trading these stocks, okay? Also, guys, I want you guys to keep your eyes on XRP and VeChain, okay? I got a video coming for you guys later. Actually, I'm about to go work on that right now, okay? So that is all I have for you guys in this video. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, and let's get this money.